Is there anything more painful than a broken relationship with a friend or family member? Can you think of the last time you experienced a broken relationship? Maybe you're there right now. Rifts in a relationship can hurt so much, can't they? There's also nothing more exciting than when a relationship is restored. Hosea appealed to Israel to return to the Lord and be restored. The prophet made this plea because their decision to do things their own way ended up being their downfall. There was a rift in their relationship with God, and the only option for restoration was for them to turn from their sins and run to the Lord. And how did God respond? He said, "I will heal their disloyalty, and I will love them freely." Like Israel, we know what it feels like to sense a growing distance between us and the Lord. Our private worship and prayer time become dry and stale and hurried. We wonder why we are not feeling close to God or why our hearts feel empty. If we want to experience spiritual flourishing again, we must return to the Lord. His grace is always more powerful than our sin. The Lord is committed to show compassion, offer forgiveness, and bring restoration. He says to you, "I will heal your relationship and love you freely."